Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching it from. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, lovelies, I'm going to be showing us how you can get that instant glow, beautiful skin, spotless, using this face mask. Keep watching. Thank you. Our first ingredient here is coffee. Coffee. 1 tablespoon of coffee. Our second ingredient we are going to be using is starch. 1 tablespoon of starch. I'm going to be mixing this together. This remedy is effective. Guys, try it out. Then we are going to be using our olive oil. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This remedy we are going to be adding rose water, just a little bit of it. A little bit of it, rose water. Then we are going to mix together. Then what we are going to be applying next is our warm water. Warm water. Then we stir together. You mix it very well. Our face mask is ready. Our face mask is ready. Please, if the texture, if it's too thick, you can add more. You can add more coffee. Yeah, you can add more coffee. If you want it lighter, that's okay. But I want this one thick. I want it thick because I want to use it on my skin. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure everything blends together. Our face mask is ready. How to apply? How to apply this face mask? You can use your hands to apply on your skin, on your face, you can use something like this. You apply it like this on your face. Guys, this remedy is superb. This remedy is effective. Please just give it a try. Yeah. I'm going to do this. I'm going to be watching it and you're going to see the results right away. Instant brightening and instant glow. You're going to see that instant glow immediately. Just apply it on your skin. You leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. No, 5 to 10 minutes is okay. 5 to 10 minutes, then you wash it off. Then you see the results. Yes. I'm going to be washing my hands. Then we are going to see the results. As you can see, guys, look at the brightness. Look at it. It's effective. Please give this. It's effective, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. What are you still waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will be seeing more of these beautiful tips. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being there. Thank you for your support. Bye bye and God bless you.